Who here is hurting? Raise your hand if you are in pain. Raise your hand if you have bruises. Raise your hand if you're going to sleep forever tomorrow. Oh God, raise your hand if you're going to like get up in the morning and drive home and you're a punk.
I'm a big girl.
Listen you guys, don't miss going to the waterfall. It's very relaxing. It's beautiful. It's a lagoon. Every year some people go home and wish they didn't miss it. You know, like, come on, just go to the waterfall tomorrow. You will enjoy yourself. It's nothing like the 8-hour grueling Current River float trip that we fucking force you to endure every year. Did you love it or what? I fucking...
Holy shit!
As soon as that goes out, we can run around it. Well, not too close. Sorry. James, you tell everyone when they can run around it. I don't care. Throw rocks at it.
Hit that shit! Hit that little shithead! Pelt the poop! Pelt the poop! Pelt the poop! Let Waldo get in that bitch. They're pelting the poop.
We are pelting the poop.
Go, just go, walk up there. No, we're gonna do the first thing. We gotta stone it. Well, we don't tell them.
Oh, that was a good one, Bob. You got it right in the eye.
I think we just need to sit that gas truck on. Wait, I got an idea. No, never mind. Pour some more gas on it. We should throw a water bottle full of gas on it. Yeah, I got a water bottle right here. Okay. Let's just chuck it down. Well, let me help. I'm thirsty as fuck. Everybody hold! Hold! I'm gonna do a thing though. Hold on, I got the. Hey, tackle that son of a bitch. Tackle it! Yeah, but Nicky, honestly, I love your bangers. Like, savage. It was a good like vibe. I loved it. It was like aggressive. You know, like I liked it. I liked it.
I get tackle monkey. I can't do it. Bob's gonna make a Molotov cocktail.
Yeah, Molotov cocktail.
Do it.
He just took the long way.
I was really hoping to go through his shoes. Captain, come on! No, use the whole can. I thought it was like can in there going day. Yeah, he was. You like partying with a Hardy? Alright, Bob, be careful.
Someone's coming up behind, watch out.
Halt your rocks.
Throw down there, old son! Hell yeah!
Woo!
That it's only made it go down so much quicker. You see all that?
You tapped it?
No.
Okay.
No, I don't want to. No, don't burn that lead.
We won't burn the jug.
No, I meant. I told you guys it's chocolate.
Take your phone.
I don't know. That's kind of like a not me question. That's more the one I don't know.
They don't give a shit. We just talk to them.
No, I'm not trying to flirt.
We didn't talk to them at the bar. They don't give a shit what we do.
Oh, I know. I'm just not trying to have any explosion.
Alright. I won't throw the whole gas jug on there. How about that? I won't throw the whole jug.
No, I don't. Pour some on the back, Bob. Carefully. When's he doing to do it? The last part we're at? Right, we're on one. Horrible time. Yeah, hail and chill and trying to sort. That gas truck's not.
We won't throw the jug on there. I got cash in my pocket. I got my birthday jug.
No, I don't got it.
And the game.
He said you got it. Go get the gas jug. I believe you.
Go get the whole bunch of jugs. Let's go.
He said you got it. You got it. You were saying it, man.
There you go.
Going up.
There you go. Huh?
Flame retarded paint.
He's pouring in the beer can. He's just gonna throw it in there.
I know, but oh yeah, this is the first time I've been here.
Okay. Yeah. They probably moved us here. Huh? Nice. Like, we were if they always have this one, nobody picked it up. Show him how it's done. Yeah. Government doesn't have that one, so I can put away your life. Morgan! They keep talking a big game. Why are you on fire? I feel the same way about myself. Oh man. That's good.
The fire found that can.
Yeah. You do a bunch of drugs. Well, Molly, give the best drugs. I'm gonna break rule number one. Have I ever asked you for
no more. You're good.
Come on. Shoo.
You're good. That's good.
I was about time. I give you the gas plate.
toasty. That's a hot bitch right there.
Once it comes down, it's gonna get really good.
Piece of plexiglass. Keeps my rocks from getting my butt.
Yeah.
I love you both, babe.
I love you too, babe.
We all appreciate each other's weirdness. That's what I'm saying. Who fucking knows?
That extended boardwalk remix coming clutch.
For real. How long is it?
It's an hour long.
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, you remember that party? Big Sam is right over there. I don't know what you goddamn thing. That was what you said earlier. Like, oh, we got to break. No, you did. I knew I could.
Oh, wind vortex.
Yeah.
Holy shit. No. Woo! some shrapnel over there.
Getting hot now.
A wee bit. So I was readjusting my butt. Woo!
Wait, to go to the music? Still a boulder?
I don't know.
What was that?
I think it was a big log.
Oh.
In 10 minutes, the whole fucking thing was gone. One night I bought a case of Modelo and I bought a bottle of alcohol. And it was me, Zach, and then within like seconds the whole bottle.
Jesus.
And then one night ago we did the whole case. Yeah,
Waldo be wildin'.
Well, not at that point.
Woo! I got a hot ember on my titty. That hurt. Whew. Got me. Having reminiscence to my first gateway.
Oh.
I don't know how I feel. That's got on my ex. But he told if you're married, I don't.
What happened?
Oh, the effigy just burned really hot and it blew all the embers back onto people's tents and canopies and everything and
Oh shit.
burned holes through everything. And it singed some of my hair, some of the embers coming down.
He's like, well, she got short.
But I had multiple like little areas like that on my boobs and my arms from where the embers landed on me.
Damn.
So I was like, I haven't felt that in a while. A fucking ember on my titty.
Your set was really good.
Thanks, brother.
You keep playing music. Music is really important. You know?
Oh, of course.
To human consciousness.
My freaking brain works in music.
To people, you know, just keep doing it. You know, and why wouldn't you? Well, it's important. You know. Well, we need these humans doing this shit so people don't lose their mind and kill everybody. Keep them from killing. My boy died right in the middle of your set, though. I was so sad about that. I was really getting down, actually.
Nice.
You know, without musicians, I wouldn't be a dancer. And so, like, every musician I meet and everything, I always want to be very close to me. Because they're like, hey, yo, your art creates my art. Without you, I don't exist. Fuck. Interesting art medium. I didn't even really decide to be a dancer. You know, that's the thing. I didn't even fucking want to be a dancer. You know, this shit just fucking came to me. Yeah, I mean, like, it was like, I don't know, whatever. I ran with it, you know what I mean? Yeah, grab and run, you know?
Some things are meant to be, man.
Right, yeah. Fucking right. You do what you do if you enjoy it, you know? Yeah, only if you enjoy it. Yeah. If you don't enjoy it, if you start not enjoying it, then you better fucking stop doing it. And you fucking drive yourself crazy. Yeah. You know? Actually crazy. We're beating up James tonight. James, he was that bitch. I'm pissed. She painted it, and then Lacey, I guess my shirt, I don't know if it was like something. We've been having washer issues at the house, and so like, one of my shirts might have been fucking, I might have grabbed a shirt out of a pile that was not, because I'm a piler, you know? Yeah. Yeah, I might have grabbed a shirt out of a pile that wasn't as clean as I would have wanted it to be. She's like, your shirt stinks. So I went and changed my fucking shirt. And then I'm like, bitch, you're fucking, oh, you're awake. I thought you were sleeping. I thought you died. Actually, you know, I thought you died. I was just like, bad Drew. He's not meeting new friends, having good people, fucking having that great time. Oh, you kidding me? Yeah, I was wondering, where were we gonna be hanging out for? Religion. Woo! Fucking religion. He's all like, ow.
Hedonism.
Hold me up. I gotta take my shoe off. Oh, yeah? This guy.
Let's go.
Rocks, I got a bunch of rocks.
Rocks in your Crocs. Rocks in your Crocs.
Scare the Christians.
He is the box 2022. You got a question?
Okay, I stand here.
You got a question? We just answer it with hedonism. We got to answer it with what? What's the answer? Hedonism. Hedonism. What's that? No, I said this is me. Oh, hell. Oh, hell. That's a pretty good answer there. Your face extended like, well, hell.
Wow.
Okay. Well, hell.
Oh, Pikachu.
Would you have noticed?
Huh?
Would you have noticed that I'm not also wearing nothing? This is all on.
Oh, you're just wearing a little onesie? Hey man, whatever's comfortable.
Oh yeah.
At least I'm not naked.
Well, not exactly legal. This isn't like a burn.
No. They would kick me out.
We gotta go by the law. Upside down Pikachu.
Daughter. So cute.
She's the best. Oh, her eyes are shut.
Oh, you like that little belly rub? Oh, hi, baby.
All my dogs are loyal.
Oh, and give you a gentle little belly scritch. Oh yeah.
She is out.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Hey,
That's a cozy
gay for
pupper.
an edible or something.
Yeah, she just like this. Always.
It's gonna feel so
Always.
This is the most fucking chill little pupper.
Like baby. What do you mean? Like why wouldn't you?
Yeah.
He's already asleep.
Oh, she's so
Why
good.
is she asleep like that? I can't even sleep like that.
I know, right?
Somebody holds me like that.
How old is she?
4.
4?
Yeah.
Did you get her when she was a pup or
6 months.
6 months?
Yeah.
You're a really good dog.
I can't. That's way too high up.
That dog is spoiled.
Drink water then. There's water.